Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage download quality on Prime Video. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage downloading quality on Prime Video. Maybe because you want to download the video in the highest resolution available because you have a lot of internet and you want to use it well, so you want the videos in the best quality. Or maybe you have limited access to the data, but you also want to enjoy the video, so you want to go with the lowest quality so you could save your internet. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Prime Video, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the Prime Video to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. We have a lot of movies and series on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom and some options at the top. So from all these videos and options, we have to click on this profile icon. As you can see, this one, you just have to simply tap on it and then you will land onto this page. Once you get there, you have to click on this settings icon, this one, just simply click on it, and then again you will get into here. First you will read the title of settings and you will find a lot of option here. Every option here is from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options you have to select this first option which says streaming and downloading. Once you get there, first you will read the title streaming and downloading and you will find many options. So from all these options, you have to go with this option which says download quality. Once you tap on it, you will get three options. So if you have a lot of internet, if you have unlimited data, then you can go with the best one, because with the best you will get the best quality of the video resolution, and with the better you will get better but not good than best and not least than good. But if you want to go with the lowest quality because you want to save your internet, then you can go with wood. Otherwise, it's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you may tap on it and that option will be selected and the movies will get downloaded on the option that you have selected. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can set the downloading quality of videos on Prime Video. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.